Jamie, really nice to see you. Can you tell me who you are and what you do, please?
So my name's Jamie Mottershead. I'm the technical director here at Renovotec.
Okay, and we're stood here at a pack bench inside the Renovotec Innovation Centre. Why a pack bench? What's this here for?
So we're always looking at ways of bringing innovation to our customer base and listening to their needs and requirements. One of those needs was improving productivity at a pack bench solution, as well as a returned bench. What we're looking at the moment is set up as a pack bench. But we're also looking at ways we can bring innovation in terms of fixed industrial cameras, in terms of CCTV, to solve problems such as accuracy of products being packed, as well as assisting with fraudulent claims that may come through.
Fraudulent claims. You mentioned a couple of things here. So one of which is accuracy. I'm quite happy to kind of pull one of these and use one of these. But in terms of accuracy, is this not accurate enough?
There's nothing wrong with that whatsoever. That type of solution has been around for a very long time and provides that accuracy. The areas that we're looking at here are more around productivity improvements. So rather than having to go and grab that handle of the gun every time, scan that particular item, what we're looking to do is put a fixed industrial camera in here. This particular solution from Zebra is the FS40. And then we're making sure that we have product that has a line of sight and an area of field of view that we can make sure that the process makes as seamless as possible. So product is passed through as quickly as possible, but as accurately as possible.
And obviously by pulling this, using it and putting it back, you're saving time. So I get the productivity piece, that makes perfect sense.
Yeah.
You mentioned fraudulent claims. How would a pack bench help sort out fraudulent claims?
Yeah, so again, the feedback from our customers has been we're seeing a growth in fraudulent claims. People calling up customer services saying they didn't receive XYZ product in their parcel that came out. So by combining multiple different software solutions as well as hardware, we're able to take individual images of the product as it's been scanned. We also have CCTV cameras at the top that's capturing the whole process right from the very start, when you start the packing process, from the scanning of the order detail right the way through to when you hit the finalize button at the end. And what that does is it allows customer service teams from our customers to be able to then to go online straight away, say I'm looking at order number 1, 2, 3, 4, and provide that information to the end customer that then shows each individual item being scanned, but also the whole video aspect of that parcel being sealed and prove that the items were picked, packed and dispatched.
Right, so that makes sense. So this solution at the moment, there's a couple of cameras here. So there's a fixed industrial camera from Zebra, but there's also a camera on the ceiling as well. Talk me through why you've got two cameras here.
So again, making sure we get the accuracy of the item that's being scanned. So not only is that capturing as an accuracy point of the barcode scan, it's capturing the image of that barcode being scanned.
A still image.
A still image. And
right.
When we look at our pack bench software, we look at the history within there and we can click on any of the items that have been scanned and we can show individual images. But then in addition to that, we can also retrieve the video. So we have a timestamp at the very beginning when the order has been scanned, and when we finalize at the end of the process, all of that video is then captured from the CCTV image and then is put through to the software, so it makes it really easy to be able to provide that evidence of that item being picked.
This is a phenomenal innovation, particularly when it comes down to fraudulent claims. Do we know what the difference is between the amount of fraudulent claims that are being raised when this technology is in use versus not?
What we are seeing is in other areas, when we're seeing challenges for returns, for example, it's the same problem, just in reverse,
right.
Where items are being scanned back in and maybe, for example, an item purchased might have been a £1,000 item, but returned a £10 item. A lot of challenges come from, well, I've sent you back, here's my recorded delivery number, but if you can show that item being unboxed, unparcelled and returned, that's where we're seeing a lot more claims being able to go back to the customer and say, you haven't returned what you said you were going to return.
Sure. Okay, so it works in both directions.
Absolutely.
Actually. That's very, very interesting. Okay, right, so I'm hooked. I've got a pack bench solution. If I wanted something like this, if I wanted the innovation, I wanted the upgrade, where would I start?
Start firstly, if you're already partnering with Renovotec, speak to your account manager. If not, go online to renovotec.com, book a visit to our innovation centre here, and we can set up demonstrations to show you.
How quickly would one of these be almost boxed up and shipped out to a customer and installed? Literally from Jamie, I'm interested, to it's in my centre and it's working. How quick
It all depends on the integration that's required, but if this was a standalone solution that you could get access to, and we simply needed the order information up front, header detail, line information, then we are talking days at that point. That's the type of solution. We could set something like this in between 5 and 10 days. The more complex of the integration, obviously that's going to require a little bit more information.
Okay, so just to summarise then, Jamie, in terms of the technology that we've got here, what are the key benefits of using a solution like this from Renovotec?
The day-to-day of packing and shipping items, getting that throughput as quickly as you possibly can, but while maintaining that accuracy, but then giving other parts of the business that maybe don't deal with that packing bench, that customer service, direct access into all of the information that they need at their fingertips within seconds, so they can provide that information to their own customers.
Brilliant. Jamie, thank you so much for your time. It's been really insightful seeing this pack bench solution from Renovotec, so thanks for your time.
Thank you.